Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Staring at a blank canvas can be the hardest part of a new project, but in Wix Studio, you have an AI partner ready to help you. In today's video, we'll talk about how to generate a visual sitemap and wireframes to help kickstart your or your client's site in a matter of seconds. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Sites. Click Create New Site and select Studio Sitemap and Wireframes. Select what your site's main purpose is, whether it's a store, blog, etc. You can also input a description over here. Below, you can also add more info, such as the name of your business, where your business is located, who the target audience is, what makes your business unique, and what your main goals for the site are. So make sure to input everything that needs to be put on these fields. Once you're done, click Continue. Once again, make sure to select Visual Sitemap and Wireframes and click Start Generating. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the Studio Editor, which will also automatically open the Visual Sitemap panel. The new sitemap will include apps relevant to the type of site you created in the first place. You can then also review the sitemap and edit it however you need to. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.